Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on face recognition using OpenCV, using DLIB, using MTCNN, using Streamlit, using VGG Face 2, using MTCNN with Facenet, DFace, Fear Library, and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative, so please watch till the end. Today's video is about face recognition using Facenet and MTCNN. Today we are going to see a robust face recognition. Facenet model is trained of TensorFlow. I have changed the version of TensorFlow on my system for this project, for this video, and pretrained model weight can be loaded. So I will go through the initial state of the program. In faces, my one image is there in faces direct, and this is all about this Facenet, and we will go through the file. This is all about train and this thing. Now I will execute the program. This model will be trained. Yes, we can see here model is trained one by one. That now my face will be recognized. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. Oh, it is showing a note. Yes. Now also it is showing. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. So, yes, fine. Yes. Oh, it is showing. So, I successfully done with Facenet and MTCNN face recognition in really different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more creative videos on Facenet, MTCNN, DLIB, Fear, VGG Face 2, Streamlit, celebrity recognition, and many more. For latest update about machine learning using Python, please watch my channel sanjaymahajanyoutube.com on YouTube channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching.